This is Charles McMahon for Expert Village. We're going to have a look at a project for fixing a broken chair. Now, this is a project that you only do if you have some spare time, because it would be more cost effective probably just to break the chair up and use it for firewood and go out and buy a replacement chair. But there's a certain challenge to fixing old things up, and so there's a little bit of an amusement factor involved here. Now, if we look down here at this broken chair, this often happens with these kinds of spindle backs. People lean back on them, they get loose, and at some point they fall off. This chair is about 40 years old. It's part of a set, and so we're going to try to put it back together. You can see a previous repair here using a dowel. In other words, when the spindle broke, we just put a dowel in here. But it's broken again, and you can see here that this spindle has broken off. The remainder of it's here. There's another spindle that broke off, and the remainder is here. So we've got to make two new spindles and put it back together again. Here's another chair we did the same thing to some time back. You can see these two spindles were replaced by a dowel, and this piece across the bottom, which also broke, that was replaced by a dowel.